Hi, here is a WordPress website page, video editing work, and this page have a title video editing. If you want to change its title and do not know how to do that, you are at the right place. I'm going to teach you how to edit the title of a WordPress web page. Just log into your WordPress admin panel. Here we go. In the left side, you will find an option of pages. Click this option. Here you will see all the pages in your WordPress website. For example, you want to change the title of this page. Just click the quick edit option. In the quick edit option, you will find the first field named title. Change the title. In my case, I'm going to change it to this video editing tutorial. Just update this, the job done. Now I'm going to refresh it. You can see our title has changed. Thank you very much for watching this video. Keep watching the next one.